Do a nozzle status test to print the nozzle check pattern. And if the white lines are continuous, which means the print head is fine. In this case, you need to edit the photo in Photoshop. First, open the image in Photoshop. Click on Image, then Mode, and select CMYK color to switch the image mode. Now, remove the background. If you are using Photoshop 2020 or a newer version, click Remove Background to remove it automatically. In older versions, use the Magic Wand tool to remove it manually. Save the image as a PNG. Next, import the image into Rinse software. Select Spot Color. Choose Empty Image Base. And uncheck Alpha as white. Now, you can print normally. There is another way to adjust the image. Open the image in Photoshop and switch it to CMYK color mode. Click on Select, then choose Subject to select the image. Now, open the Channels panel and click on New Spot Channel to create a new channel. Remember the name of the new channel. Save the file as a PDF. Then, import the image into Rinse software. Click on Spot Color. Set data source to Spot Color. And in the Input Channel section, select the Spot Color channel you created. Make sure Alpha as white is not checked. Now, the image is ready for printing.